In today's video, and today we're going to look at numbers in English language. Numbers in English language. What is a number? A number refers to an arithmetic value used to represent quantity and in making calculations. Once again, a number refers to an arithmetic value. What do I mean by arithmetic? Arithmetic, something represented as a figure. For example, 1, 2. So these are arithmetic numbers, arithmetic values used to represent quantity and in making calculations. So numbers are used in counting, calculations, and expressing values of items. So with numbers, you are able to tell the quantity of something, you are able to calculate the distance, you are able to estimate the volume or weight of something. So numbers are very much essential when we are counting items. Okay, a point to note, numbers are essential in counting money. Of course, if you don't know how to count numbers, counting money will be a problem to you. Okay, so now you understand what numbers are. Numbers are values that help in making calculations and counting objects. Okay, let's look at the types of numbers. Types of numbers, we have natural numbers, as we're going to see. We have whole numbers. We have integers, rational numbers, and we have irrational numbers, and real numbers. Don't worry, we shall look at each of these in details. So once again, we have natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, and other categories of numbers fall under these numbers. We have even numbers, odd numbers. We shall look at them under whole numbers. Okay, let's start with natural numbers. What are natural numbers? So natural numbers are positive. Point to note, they are positive numbers used for counting objects and do not start from 0. A point to note, with natural numbers are positive. They are positive numbers used for counting objects and do not start from 0, indicating that natural numbers don't have a 0 in them and they are all positive numbers, as we are going to see. Please note, with natural numbers, they are positive numbers used for counting objects and do not start from 0. So natural numbers don't have a 0 in them. Please note that. So natural numbers start from 1. These are also called counting numbers. So natural numbers are also called counting numbers. With counting numbers, they start from 1. They don't start from 0. They start from 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. And all are positive numbers. Once again, natural numbers, they are positive numbers and do not start from 0. So once we are writing natural numbers, we start with positive 1 and so on. So all natural numbers are positive numbers and they do not have a 0 in them. Okay, let's look at some uses of natural numbers. How do we use these natural numbers? Natural numbers are used in telling time. Yes, they are used in telling time. For example, it is 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. Or it is 4:23 a.m. Once again, it is 4:23 a.m. So we use these natural numbers to tell time. Another example, one can say it is 6 minutes past 2. It is 6 minutes past 2 p.m. or a.m. any. So you see, we use these numbers to tell time. So one use of natural numbers or counting numbers, they are used in telling time. Hope we are together. Okay, also natural numbers are used in counting. For example, I have 2 pens. Are we together? So you are counting the pens. You have 2 pens. I have 6 oranges. I have 6 oranges. Or one can say there are 8 books. So you're estimating, or you are telling the quantity of items. So there are 8 books. I have 12 pens. I have 6 oranges. So with natural numbers, they are used in counting objects, as we've seen. Also, natural numbers, they are used in mathematical calculations. They are used in mathematical calculations. Mathematical comes from mathematics. Mathematics. Mathematics is a subject, also like English. So natural numbers are used in mathematical calculations. For example, if I say subtraction, and I say 4 minus 2, what's the answer? 4 minus 2, you get 2. So under mathematical calculations, subtraction, we say 4 minus 2. These are numbers used when we are calculating. So 4 minus 2, you get 2. Under division, I can say, if I use 6 divided by 3, what's the answer? 6 divided by 3, you get 2. So 6 and 3 are natural numbers, or counting numbers. Okay, if we go under addition, and I say 2 plus 3 plus 4, what's the answer? Once again, 2 plus 3, you get 5. 5 plus 4, you get 9. Super. The answer is 9. And once you have division, subtraction, multiplication. Multiply. If they give you a number like multiply 4 times 2, what's the answer? 4 times 2, you get 8. So in other words, we use natural numbers when we are multiplying, adding, dividing, or subtracting. So they are used in mathematical calculations, counting numbers, and also telling time. We use natural numbers. Okay, that is it in today's video here at Benny 9531. We learn English with ease. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.